we have been having problems like when it comes to locking, mostly like these kids. So I thought of doing something that is very, very comfortable for them. And now in this video, I'm going to be showing you more of these tricks so that we get to learn on how to do the temporary dreadlocks for the kids.
Maurice, the crochet master.
Yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Yes, those ones who would want to see me live, you can always come and we do it together here at Hair by Clippers. Just search for it. Yes, for the location. Yeah, today we are going to be seeing something that is very, very interesting. I would like you to give me a time because it is really very interesting. We have been plaiting kids, and most of the times, I don't know for you how you do it there, but me, I believe on what I'm doing. There are some things that I always I be careful when it comes to maybe like locking. So I decided to bring out this, that maybe those people who cannot lock the hair very nicely, because I've been telling you most of the videos that I've been uploading that whenever we are locking these temporary dreadlocks, we always leave a 1/4 inch so that we can get the space for the extension, and then we add it on. I don't know if most of you guys have been doing it, and now this we are doing it. Those ones who might be doing it but in a wrong way, so you can also use this method. It can also work for you, as you're going to be seeing. So what we're going to be doing, we are just going to use our very, very good the very, very nice method, the technique of the inside knotless way, and this is how we plait it. So this one, it is just going to be it is going to work like the way I would have locked the dreads, you understand? Because now this, it is we're trying to make the kid comfortable with the dreads. Yes, so to those ones who had seen me doing the individual dreadlocks, this is how we used to start. And now the problem is for the kids, for them, the hair texture is different. Like you might do it this way, but since it is soft, it will always remain with that it will always be loose. So what you can do, but mostly it is this first hair, the first line. Maybe I like the second, but now the middle lines, for them ones, those ones, they can always be hard, but we can always do it this way, like for the first line. And then if it's possible, you can even lock it, as you're going to be seeing in the video. So what I would advise here is that I'm doing this, but I'm not doing it in a box format. You understand? Remember, if you try to remember, like when we are saying that when we are locking the dreadlocks, it cannot look good when it is the box. Okay, looking good is fine, but locking, it doesn't come out nicely when it is in the if it's in the box shape. So it is always good in a rectangular shape, and this is what I'm trying to do. And and remember, I'm buying the other method of I would have been locking it like the other way with a hook, but now this one I'm plating it this way individually. So after, we are just going to do the same thing. If you want, we can lock it, or we can just add on our extensions and do it like the individual dread locks. So this is the same. This is what you can always do. So I think now we are together. Let's try to let's start on how to lock it. We are locking as usual from the middle like that, and then we separate into 3 portions this way. And then after we do some little back comb, remember we had plaited down here, so this back comb is going to make the hair to stay there strongly, not to come out. And the method, you still remember, is just up and then down. That one we have been doing it. I know most of you guys know how to do it. If you try to look from the basing down, you see there is some space there, and I know if it's possible, I can always leave it since it's plated individually. And or even if I have some good space, and if her hair, like maybe the scalp is not so sensitive, I can even lock there, you understand? So that is the good thing of doing this kind of dreadlocks when it is individually. So this is how we just have to, sorry, my camera, the angle of the camera I think is down the wrong way, but I'm going to try to make sure that you see it very well. You know, like most of the times, there are videos that relate, like the more videos that can even show you these things. So those ones who can be asking how to do it, I think let me just try to do something different. Like maybe I put some videos, the links in the description, so that something that you have not seen here very well clearly, you can always go and relate them. Because now what I wanted here to focus on, you can see her hair how it is in front. So since we want at least do something that is going to last longer, I'm trying to create something that is protective, and this is the way I chose to do the individual dreadlocks with the extension, so that the hair can last long. And you can see how I'm plating it, it is really as soft as possible, but I'm following the method of the rectangular. It is not in a box format. If you try to look here, I'm even doing it in the inside knotless, where you can see. So it means if I would have been locking, this would have been the locking, maybe it would have been painful, that's what I would say. But now if it's like this, it cannot. Then I pass through my hook this way, my crochet, I cut into 3 portions like that, and then I can do the locking just like this. Very simple. Just do up like that, and passing through the hair, just move this way. I think this angle is very nice for you, just like that. So you will find like there are these ones that have locked, yes, like the way I told you, there is that soft hair that you cannot fail to lock. But still, when it comes to these dreads, there isn't any problem since you have locked this one, then the others are not locked. But what are we trying to do here is to make for her to be comfortable. Like there's no any strain on the scalp, no yes, we don't want to bring all that pain, like maybe locking the whole head, you understand? Because this, I'm doing it for those ones that I know they might be doing it in a wrong way. So you might not lock the whole head, but now like this soft hair, you can always try to lock it. And that's why I say that mostly it is always on the first the first lines, like behind and in front, but in the middle the hair is always strong. So even if you don't lock them, it is also very nice. But still, I'm just going to show you how if you choose to lock them, as long as they have the space, yes, it can also be possible. So let's also try to look about it and see how it's going to be. And please, this method, trust me, it is very, very nice. And yes, I just wanted to make it for the kids, but still even the adults can also do it. And here, what do we have to you see now, the front one, I can even lock it if I want. You can see, like that. And that's what I wanted to show you at the first place, that it's not like we need to lock them even from the beginning, but you can start with that inside knotless, and then after you lock the hair, and they also become that strong. So if you feel like there's somewhere where you can always there's some space, you can still lock it like that, just like that. Yes, and you find the lockings are very, very perfect. You see, no pain at all, no pain at all. But just because that one comes after the other first method of the inside knotless way. So now here in the middle still can still do something, you see, if there is a space. So this is what I was trying to say, that you may not overlock, because you see now it is tight here. So we are imagining if it's now the whole head is locked, how it would be. You understand? So if we just choose to lock some that we see there are lows, it is also very fine. By the time even the other ones try to grow, this one would have they will also be very, very okay to be locked. So those are the things that I would like you guys to think about before doing like kids hair, like mostly these ones with soft broken hairline. And how can we achieve also how can we achieve dreads for them, because they would also need to do those long lasting hairstyles. So my name is Maurice, the crochet master. But what we learn from here is that our dreads are supposed to be as soft as possible, the way you can see. Even if this long, but you can see it is still too soft, not very hard, mostly for these kids, and no pain at all. See how soft it is? It is very, very soft, and I love it. Yes, you can also do it with that method, and trust me, you'll thank me later. So let me try to put some links for the dreads that still the same with these ones, so that you can choose for the kids or even the adults, and they choose what you can be doing. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Just know I love you so much. Everywhere you're watching, you just know I love you so much. And still, just remember, I work at Hair by Clippers. That is our salons where I work from. So if you'd want to come and get a touch, just search for Hair by Clippers with Z. You'll find me there waiting for you. I'm gonna be signing out. May God bless you all. See you in our next video. And remember, at least every week we upload a video for you. Bye bye. See you.